Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. For today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a sentence using a positive past tense verb and a negative past tense verb. In order for us to create a sentence using a positive past verb tense and a negative past verb tense, we will be using the following Nihongo words. First is Mashita. It is a positive past verb tense. And Masen, Deshita. This is a negative past verb tense. We will also be using Deshita, meaning was in English, and Dewa arimasen Deshita, meaning was not in English. From my previous lesson, which I will be putting the link down below in the description box, we have learned about the use of mas, masen, des, dewa arimasen in creating a sentence in Nihongo. For mas, it is a positive present or future verb tense, and masen is a negative present or future verb tense. We've also learned in the previous lesson that des means is and dewa arimasen means isn't or is not. So we will create a Nihongo sentence using the following words. In order for us to create a sentence using the present future tense, positive and negative, and past tense, positive and negative, we will also be using the following example. Pati, which means party, ikimasu, meaning to go, and ni or e, which are particles that indicates place. Ni and e are being used to indicate a place. For this example, we will try to make a present or future tense sentence. For the sentence number 1, paati ni ikimasu, meaning in English, I will go to the party. In this sentence, we use ikimasu, which means will go. And this sentence is a positive future tense. Now, we will try to make a negative present or future tense. In this next example, we will use masen, which is a negative verb tense. In this sentence, paati ni ikimasen, in English, I will not go to the party. Since we use ikimasen, it means will not go. Okay, let's try to read the following Nihongo sentences. Paati ni ikimasu. Please repeat after me. Paati ni ikimasu. Next, we will try to read the second sentence. Please repeat after me. Paati ni ikimasen. Once again, paati ni ikimasen. Okay, very good. Now, we will try to make a past tense sentence using mashita and masen deshita. For the first past tense sentence is paati ni ikimashita. Since we use ikimashita, this means went in English. So if we will try to translate paati ni ikimashita in English, this is I went to the party. So this first sentence is a positive past tense. Next, we will try to make this positive past tense into a negative past tense by using ikimasen deshita. Paati ni ikimasen deshita. Since we use ikimasen deshita, this is a negative past tense, meaning in English, did not go. So, if we try to translate paati ni ikimasen deshita in English, it means I did not go to the party. Okay, let's try to read these Nihongo sentences once again. Please follow after me. Paati ni ikimashita. Once again, paati ni ikimashita. Meaning, I went to the party. And this second sentence, please repeat after me. Paati ni ikimasen deshita. Once again, paati ni ikimasen deshita. In English, it means I did not go to the party. Let's try to create another sentences using the present or future tense, mas and masen, and past tense, mashita and masen deshita. In order for us to create a sentence, we will be using the following words in Nihongo. Niku means meat and tabimasu means to eat. Okay, for this example, present or future tense, in this first sentence, we used tabimasu, which is a positive verb tense. So, tabimasu in English means eat. So, if we try to translate niku o tabimasu, it means I eat meat. And this is a present tense or a positive present tense. Now, we will try to make a negative present tense verb. And to make a negative present tense verb, we will use tabemasen, which means in English, do not eat. So, if we try to read this sentence, niku o tabimasen, it means I do not eat meat. Okay, let's try to read this Nihongo sentences once again. Niku o tabimasu. Once again, please follow after me. Niku o tabimasu. In English, I eat meat. Let's read this next sentence. Please follow after me. Niku o tabemasen. Once again, niku o tabemasen. In English, I do not eat meat. Okay, let's try to make a past tense sentence. For the first one, we will make a positive past tense sentence. And to make a positive past tense sentence, we will be using mashita or tabimashita, which means in English is ate. So if we try to read niku o tabimashita in English, this means I ate meat. Let's try to make this sentence negative past tense. In this sentence, we use masen deshita, which makes it a negative past tense. So, tabemasen deshita means did not eat in English. Let's read this sentence. Niku o tabemasen deshita. In English, this means I did not eat meat. Let's try to read these sentences once again. Please follow after me. Niku o tabemashita. Once again, niku o tabemashita. In English, I ate meat. Let's read this second sentence. Please repeat after me. Niku o tabimasen deshita. Once again. Niku o tabimasen deshita. In English, I did not eat meat. Okay, in this example, we will be using des and dewa arimasen, which means for des, in English, it means it is. And for dewa arimasen, in English, it means it is not. We will also be using deshita and dewa arimasen deshita in creating a sentence, which means deshita is it was in English, and dewa arimasen deshita means it was not in English. We will also be using this word kaban, which means bag in English. For the future tense, we will be using des, and it is a positive present tense. So des means it is, and kaban means bag. So if we will read kaban des, it means it is a bag in English. Next is we will make this positive sentence into negative present tense sentence. In this sentence, we will be using dewa arimasen, which is a negative present tense. And in English, dewa arimasen means it is not. If we will read this kaban dewa arimasen, in English, it means it is not a bag. Let's read these sentences once again. Please repeat after me. Kaban des. Once again. Kaban des. In English, it means it is a bag. Next, kaban dewa arimasen. Once again, kaban dewa arimasen. In English, it means it is not a bag. This time, we will create a positive and a negative past tense sentence. And in this sentence, we will be using deshita, which is a positive past tense. Deshita in English means it was, and kaban is a bag. So if we read this kaban deshita, it means it was a bag. Now let's try to make this positive past tense into a negative past tense. In order for us to make a negative past tense sentence, we will be using dewa arimasen deshita. So in this sentence, kaban dewa arimasen deshita. In English, it means it was not a bag. Let's try to read the following sentences once again. Please repeat after me. Kaban deshita. Once again. Kaban deshita. In English, it means it was a bag. Now, let's read this second sentence. Please repeat after me. Kaban dewa arimasen deshita. Once again. Kaban dewa arimasen deshita. In English, it was not a bag. This time, we will have an exercises. Please translate the following sentences in Nihongo. I will be giving you 5 seconds to state your answer in Nihongo. And for the first sentence, are you ready? In this first sentence, I'll be giving you the following words that you can use in creating a sentence in Nihongo or translating this sentence in Nihongo. Kora means cola in English, and nomimas means drink in English. So for the first sentence, I did not drink cola. Please translate it in Nihongo. Your 5 seconds starts now. Very good. I did not drink cola in Nihongo is kora o nomimasen deshita. Let's read this once again. Please follow after me. Kora o nomimasen deshita. Very good. Let's move on to the second sentence. Please translate I drink cola in Nihongo using the following words kora and nomimasu. Your 5 seconds starts now. Very good. I drink cola in Nihongo is kora o nomimasu. Let's read this once again. I drink cola in Nihongo is kora o nomimasu. Now, let's move on to the next sentence. I drank cola using the following words kora and nomimasu. Please translate this sentence in Nihongo. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to state your answer. Your 5 seconds starts now. Very good. I drank cola in Nihongo is kora o nomimashita. Let's read this one once again. Kora o nomimashita. Your next word is I did not drink cola. Please translate this in Nihongo using the following words. I'll be giving you 5 seconds once again to state your answer. And your 5 seconds starts now. Very good. I did not drink cola in Nihongo is kora o nomimasen deshita. Let's try to read this one once again. I did not drink cola in Nihongo is kora o nomimasen deshita. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. I hope you've learned a lot from this lesson. And please, if you have any questions, please write in the comment box down below. And if you did not subscribe yet to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, please click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. Bye!